My friends, पता है मैंने क्या सोचा? With I think I am also a beginner in learning this language. But yes, a little bit I can speak. But I'm thinking that who people are in their journey, who people are beginner like me. Recently they started learning this language. I thought why not make a video conversational video. Hey everyone, my name is Sonia Singh and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and recently I have done my graduation and now I'm doing my masters from English literature, or you can also say like I am running on my YouTube channel, as you know very well. Okay, so in this video just we'll talk about like why we are learning English language and why learning English language is crucial for anyone if we start learning journey. So why we can't start, why we feel shy, why we feel hesitate, and why we don't want to speak in front of anyone, in front of many people. Just I would say, and if you started your learning journey, so please don't quit it, just learn continuously. And first of all, don't feel shy, don't feel fumble, and don't feel like when I'll be speak in front of many people, then I'll insulted in front of many people. If you are thinking like this, so please stop like this thinking, because no one can perfect here and no one can perfect you. If you want to become perfect, then it's depend only you. All people start from the first steps. Initially they faced a lot of different kind of difficulties, but initially they faced a lot of difficult. So if you are thinking that many people are doing great, so they learn without facing any difficulties. No, those people also faced many difficulties while learning something new, while learning English language, while develop something new skills. Okay, so don't talk to yourself like I am beginner, I feel shy, I'm not able to do this and all that. Okay, my friends, you know very well I am also from a village area. I belong from proper village area, and there is no any facilities such coaching center where I to go and I could learn something new, I can learn language, any language. Okay, so I have no new facilities. I'm also from village, but yes, I'm trying to learn something new, I'm trying to learn English language. But yes, I'm not telling like I have learned all things in English. No, I'm not perfect in English, I'm also a beginner. I started my journey, a lot of things I have learned but not completely. But yes, I'm trying my level best. So if you are from village area where is not available any facilities where you can learn, okay, so don't think more, just start learning this language at your home. You can learn English language just sitting at your home. Just you have to use your mobile phone, and don't make any excuses. You don't make any excuses, then for making excuses there are many excuses available. So if you want to become fluent in English, and if you want to learn English language, if you want to communicate with people in English, so don't make any excuses and learn from today. Okay, and every day cultivate your English. Every day you learn some new words. On that vocab words, you make many sentences. If you make many sentences, then your concept will be clear of sentence structure. Okay, so if you clear your concept, if you clear your sentence structure, then you can speak English language very efficiently and fluently. But yes, initially when you would start your learning journey, then definitely you will feel like it's a difficult, it's a huge task for me. You feel like this, but it's normal, or people face it while learning English language. Okay, so don't think more about it, just cultivate every day your skills. So what skills you are learning these days? Okay, as I told you, I am also a beginner. So yes, my friend, I am also a beginner, and I'm learning this language. I'm trying to level my best better than this. Okay, so yes, but somewhere I feel shy, like in front of many people, like for speaking in front of many people I also feel nervous. But yes, I feel like this, that until I speak in front of many people, unless my shyness, unless my hesitation, unless my overthinking will not overcome. So I am trying कि I could overcome my fear, I could overcome my shyness, I could overcome my hesitation. If you are learning this language, so you can also do it like this. My friends, think yourself, try to think yourself कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज है कि what kind of its concept that you don't have clear. So first of all, clear them, and again you try to speak in English. Then you can encounter that word ki yes, this way I can speak this words, this way I can use this vocab words. So this way you can become advanced in English. Okay, but yes, there is no need to become advanced initially. When you start, at least you speak English, then your habit will increase to speak in English. Okay, because from our childhood we have been speaking in our mother tongue. So when we try to speak other language, then we can't speak easily. Okay, make habit to speak other language. Maybe it's English, maybe any language, and you shouldn't take any pressure on your head. Speak with simple and small words. You know, my friend, many people says like I have no any topic to speaking practice, I have no any partner to speaking practice, that's why I couldn't learn to speak in English, that's why I'm not able to learn to speak in English, and all that. So many people are making excuses. Okay, so please, if you are thinking like this, so please stop like this in thinking. You can pick up any topic, whatever you have surrounding, just pick up and negotiate with them. You can negotiate with your family member, siblings, your friend, with your friends you can negotiate. Okay, or don't think like I'll mistake while speaking in English, because honestly when you speak, definitely you would make mistakes. My friends, mistake is a part of learning. So when you do make mistakes, then you can learn by doing mistakes. So don't fear, make mistakes. Okay, so make mistakes and learn something new by doing mistakes. This way you can practice. This way I can also say I don't have any partner to speaking my practice, and I don't have any facilities. I do go and I could learn English language. Even in my family member, no one can speak in English. That's why I can't learn English language. That's why I'm not able to speak in English. So if I make excuses like this, so I cannot learn English language as well. But yes, who people wanna elevate ourselves, those people don't make any excuses like this. They try to learn something new each and every day, and they don't waste their time. Okay, each and every day they learn something new. When they know very well it's so difficult, but yes, I'll try and I'll learn step by step, then definitely one day I call it, I learn it, I encountered it one day. Definitely this way they can achieve their goals. So if you want to elevate yourself, then you will have to kill your target, then you will have to greedy for your target, for your ambition. Until you be greedy for your ambition, for your target, unless you couldn't achieve your ambition. Okay, so yes, that's the thing I wanted to share with you in this video, my friends, कि आपका environment नहीं मैटर करता. भले ही आपका इंग्लिश इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है, बट यस इट टेक टाइम व्हेन यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू, व्हेन यू लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट यू कांट लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. यू कैन लर्न. यू नो माय फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट डिड आई थिंक कि आई एम आल्सो बिगिनर, आई एम आल्सो अ बिगिनर in learning this language, but yes, a little bit I can speak, but I'm thinking that who people are in their journey, who people are learning this language, but yes, who people are beginner like me, recently they started learning this language. I thought कि why not make a video, conversational video, because my friends, somewhere I feels कि even if I could learn a lot of things, but until I faced many people in front of camera, in front of many people, until I faced, unless I can't speak English in front of many people, unless my shyness, unless my hesitation, unless my overthinking, unless my nervous will never overcome. That's why I'm thinking recently who people started learning this language. So only beginner like me, only beginner we make a video, conversational video, so that we could improve our English. This way you can also improve your English. This way I can also elevate my English more better than this. So I'm thinking, and what is your opinion for this? If you are interested in this, so please comment below this video or tell me by comment below this video कि क्या हम start करें और नहीं. So yes guys, don't look at your background, just focus on your goals and think positive that one day definitely I'll do it, I'll kill it. Okay, so yes my friends, that's the thing I wanted to share with you in this video कि I can learn this language. When I can learn this language, so why not you can learn? You can also do it, you can also kill it, you can also learn it. Okay, when I started this language, that time I was not able to speak English even a single sentence. When I speak in English a single sentence, then I fumble while speaking in English, I get stuck. Many difficult I faced, then I could speak English this way. So you can see what is level of my English. So yes my friends, our video is in here now, or if you have suggestions for me, then you can suggest me by comment below this video. और yes, that's the thing I wanted to share with you in this video कि अगर आप सीखना चाहते हैं तो आज से ही start करिए. Start from today and don't wait the perfect time. I hope you like this video. So if you like, so please do like and do subscribe this channel, because if you do subscribe then get me motivation to make more videos. So yes, subscribe the channel and do like this video. So yes, we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, you keep practicing and keep learning and keep growing together. So yes, we'll meet in the next lecture. Have a nice day. Bye.